nights. The moon on the mountains, every sound counted, only silence is heard. The moonlight shines, the cold night grows, light reflecting off the ice, ancient stories are told. The chill of the Arctic breath, a mist of instant freeze. The wind whispers a welcome tune and sets the mind at ease. The moonlight shines, the cold night grows, light reflecting off the ice, ancient stories are told. We gaze at stars that draw us near. The signs of life are stronger here. The snow and ice are welcomed home. The winter nights we've always known. The moonlight shines, the cold night grows, light reflecting off the ice, ancient stories are told. Oh, wintry of colored light, a beauty stretching into night. There is such peace as it unfolds.